device, it had this little color changing element. You hold the lighter up to it and you can see how some of that cooling tech works on the inside. And the cooling tech is important for sessions like this. I did a bunch of gaming on this device right here, and actually it didn't heat up all that much in my hands. I think part of it is the texture on the back, and probably some of it to do with the internal cooling capabilities as well.
Tango down! Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Hunter killer drone on standby. UAV online. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. Predator missile awaiting orders. Tango down!
No react. You're a mobile gamer there. You got no react on that kill streak.
Be advised, hostile hunter killer drone inbound. UAV recon ready for deployment. UAV online. Hunter killer drone ready for deployment.
That was a glitch for sure, man. I took 1,000 bullets, that dude.
Hunter killer drone deployed. Target down!
Ah.
Friendly predator missile inbound. Tango down! UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Hunter killer drone on standby. Reloading! Cover me! Need backup!
Oh, that.
Missile on standby. Predator missile inbound. We're almost there. Predator missile awaiting orders. Friendly predator missile inbound. Headshot! Tango down! Objective almost complete. Keep it up. UAV online. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. UAV online. UAV recon ready for deployment. Hunter killer drone ready for deployment. Predator missile on standby.
All right. Mobile gaming. Mobile gaming. Big Daddy Cash. Y'all better watch out. MVP status.
Big Daddy Cash.
Yeah, I mean, the cool thing as well about this Surface on the phone